Now, I want to show you how to sew sides together when there's nothing to attach it to. But of course, you'll have a design on yours. But this is just to basically show you how to do it with it. Nothing there. So, you can either A, go up under here and stitch it through like this, which is kind of hard to do when it's laying down. Sometimes I get a little too tight. That's okay. You just gotta wiggle it till you can get it through the next one. You can do it like this if it's the same color. If it's a different color, you may not want to, but being that it's going to be inside the box, nobody's ever going to see it. So it's okay. So what you would do is you would go through your first hole, which is here, which is there. And then the material is pretty flexible, so I can pretty much pinch it, line it up, and then I'm going to go back through that first hole. Okay? So, see how it's not lined up? So we're going to make it line up. There we go. We're going to pull it through. And then we're going to pull it through a little tight. So that way it's tight. Then we're going to go through our next hole. Push that over. There you go. Pull it tight. Flip that over. Pull it tight. And then of course you're just going to keep going until you're done. And that's how you sew up the sides. So it doesn't matter if you have a blank canvas like I have, or if you have a design already created. And that's basically all you have to do. Okay, now we're done. So when you're done, we're going to go back through this hole and not the other one. Pull it a little tight. We're going to go on the inside and we're going to shove it through what we've just stitched. We're going to pull it out. There you go. So we're going to pull it out. We're going to go back underneath the one we just came out of. And we're going to go through the others and pull it out. And then voila. Then we're just going to take that. We're going to snip that off. And now you have a side. So now you've stitched one side by just simply going underneath this side. So that's one way that you can do it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out on how to stitch a box together and gives you an idea of what you would do if you had nothing, just straight blank canvas. Gives you an idea on how to sew it together. Thanks for watching. Please like, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them at the bottom of any video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.